For more tips and tricks, don't forget to hit that button and subscribe. Also, ring the bell so you can get notifications anytime I have new videos. Make sure you guys stick around to the end of the video because we're going to choose 3 winners from the first 100 people that comment, and you could possibly win a really cool kit from Spyder Products. They have the best saber saw blades that I have ever used, and I'm going to show you why. Everybody makes jigsaw blades, but only Spyder makes the double-sided jigsaw blade. This is a scroll blade. It enables you to make tight cuts all the way around your workpiece. Why? Because it has 2-sided teeth on it. It also enables you to do plunge cuts because you have teeth all the way around. I have a question for you. Have you ever gone to drill something overhead on drywall or wood or whatever, and you have the trash falling in your face? No more. I'm going to show you a super quick tip that's going to cover that. Let's get started. This is the bit I'm going to use. I need it to go to about here. Don't need much. This is about the size of the shaft on this one. Use my step down. There you go. This is what would have been in my face. Not bad. I hope you found this useful. It's a simple little hack. Now, I could have extended this a little further to go right from the ceiling, because when I slide it back, I have plenty of room to where it would go to the depth that I needed it to. No big deal. You can make any length you want as long as you don't go too far past that. Now, to win one of these 13-piece hole saw kits and some blades, you saw how those double-sided blades work. Drop a comment down below. In the description box below, I have a link going to Paulstoolbox.com. I want you to go there and give me your mailing information so I can get in touch with you and mail you one of these if you win. 3 people will be chosen out of the first 100 people that comment. You really can't beat that. It's free. I am easy to find. All you have to do is Google Paul's Toolbox. See you guys later.